everyone, welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a super cool 1984 Jeep Renegade CJ7 4x4. It's went through a recent body-up restoration. It's finished in a gorgeous slate blue metallic paint with a rugged ridge gray vinyl interior. Clean Carfax on it, guys. It's been in the South most of its life, so it's solid. There's zero rust on it. Paint's super slick. Again, I wish we had some sunlight for you so you could really see that metallic. I've actually driven this around a little bit since we got it, and it's just a little sweetheart. A couple pumps, it fires right up. Everything works on it. Not too much to nitpick. If you want a really nice cruiser, I think this one would work for you. Bumpers are really nice. Touch-up mark right here. Couple little stone packs right here. I'm gonna nitpick it for you guys. I know we sell most of our stuff online and you guys aren't here, so I'm trying to make it as if you were standing here. Your glass is nice, the window rubbers are nice. The soft top's in excellent condition. There's no rips or tears in it. Fits on there really good. It's a super cool Jeep. Again, not really too much to nitpick. If you guys are looking for something to cruise the beach or lake house or something like that, this would be perfect. I mean, it hits the road outstanding. There's 33 12.5 Mickey Thompson Bajas Legends with 15x8 bullet wheels. I wish we had some sun. That blue pops. And of course, like I said, it's either snowing, raining, or overcast, or shadows. It's just that time of the year here. Get what you get. 4.2-liter inline-6 with 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, chrome air cleaner, aluminum valve covers, factory exhaust manifolds. She's a little sweetheart, man. Turn the key, fires right up. Have Gary helping me today, so we're working on getting on the same page here. I know it's been Mike the past couple times. If you want to get those doors, Gary. Wheels and tires are like new. There's your VIN in there. This is all. These seats have been redone and recovered. This material is actually like a waterproof. It's super nice. So if you take the top off or get caught in the rain, factory dash and gauges. It's like 5-speed manual transmission, Retrosound radio, factory steering wheel. Actually a little partial to Jeeps. I think this was my first adult purchase. I bought a Jeep Wrangler. Big fan of that blue on blue stripe. I'll try to show you the back seat. It kind of takes two hands to flip that seat forward. All new carpet. So extremely nice.
If you're looking for a beach cruiser, this one is perfect.
Have Eddie get the bit there. Iron gauges work, holding good oil pressure. Lights are working. Factory matching spare. It's never been on the road. Got ahead of myself here, guys. Radio works. I checked that. Got holding good oil pressures. It's like everything's working on the dash there. Like I said, top's in excellent shape. No rips, no tears. Headlights work. Running lights work. Guys, keep track of our inventory at southernmotors.com. You can actually subscribe to our website. So anytime we post a car, it'll alert you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you click that button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Like us on Facebook. Like us on Instagram. Or pick up the phone and give us a call. 248-620-3355. Thanks, guys.